One of our friends on Facebook wanted to know what we did to curl Lena's hair. I actually didn't use curling irons for this and I think she turned out great. Her curls were actually more prominent before after they were done, but we didn't record that, so today we are going to do a demo. And what better candidate for this demo than another Lena? Her hair was actually much worse when we got her out of the box, and right now it's so frizzy. Her promo pictures showed her having curly hair, so today we are going to give her some. We just need some hair elastics, a sectioning comb, a regular comb, and some hair gel. This is totally optional, but you can use it to give the hair some hold. We are going to have to remove her accessories first so they are not in the way. I thought about removing her crown, but since we will be working mostly at the back, I think we can leave this on. Wow, actually I like this look. I love how this turned out. I decided not to use hair gel so she could still have that natural look. I used the same technique on our Barbie Looks doll, but I added some hair gel. But with or without hair product, I think both of them look stunning. What we did is a temporary, non-invasive way of styling our doll's hair. So in case you want something more permanent, you may use a curling iron at your own risk. But as for me, I'm satisfied with what we did because we used minimal items. Thank you for joining us in styling our doll's hair with no curling iron. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.